Oh.
How's it going, guys? I just want to inform everybody who comes to this park that there is an invasive species, the New Zealand mud snails. Don't bring them here. You want to know why? Because those little rascals will get up in your boats, get up in your totes, get up in your shorts. They'll suck you off. You do not want these mud snails. They are a threat to the wildlife species here. You know the Chinook salmon of the Western Hemisphere? They get those guys and they take all their food and all their resources. What can you do? If you wade, freeze waders and other grate overnight at least 6 hours. The last thing you can do is never transport live fish, because they'll spread those gosh darn things throughout these waters. Let me tell you, you do not want these mud snails in your boats. Let's go.
Hey, wait, Nature Know-It-All, is that you?
What?
Nature Know-It-All, is that you?
Yes.
Nature Know-It-All.
He's an elusive mystery.
Damn, he's alive. We've lost him since episode 1. What's
Peace out, guys.
Oh no! Know-It-All, what do you have here?
It's a Rhodesian ridgeback. Give me the camera now.
Here's the camera.
You're about to get some live action POV.
No, sir, I'll give you the camera when we're down more.
Do you want to see the Rhodesian ridgeback? Then give me the camera. Now. It's waterproof, right?
No, it's not.
Okay. You guys.
Zoom in on it. It's on, it's on. What kind of snake is that, Mr. Nature Know-It-All?
It's a Rhodesian ridgeback. Look at that feller.
Well, what are they known about the Rhodesian ridgeback?
They're a very elusive species. There's only 13 of them left in the wild.
Can we catch one?
I can try my best.
Please catch one.
Alright, get this on camera. Now. Oh. Are you filming?
I'm filming.
Why? I'm like an invisible man. He does not detect.
Okay, wait, pause. I'm pausing.
Up. Now you up. We got a crawdad, a live action one. I wasn't able to catch one of these. Now it's very active right now. It's in its mating season. As you can tell, it's going into defense mode. You see that big claw? Oh shit, Alright, now, cut it.
3, 2,
I'm being serious, I'm going for
3, 2, 1. Pussy ass niggas.
Isaiah, I'll do it again.
Alright, dude.
Bitch like
I'm
water.
ready.
I splash on your bitch with the water. I feel like I'm 21 Savage. I pull up and fuck on your daughter. Water.